Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to set default value for email field. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the editions, in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. Before that, here we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course, especially for a Salesforce administrator. And even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And here also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds, and you will also get the lifetime access of the course, and you can buy this course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from the beginner to advanced level, and it also has the 9 plus modules with the real business scenarios and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos. And we also provide course material with PDFs and solution, and one to one doubt clear session, and the interview preparation session also. And we also give you certification of the completion and internship and placement opportunity. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about the Salesforce administrator part. So let's move ahead and jump to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning account, and here we will learn how to set the default value for the email field. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon we can see setup option is present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this page we can see there is a object manager tab. Click on this object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and here we can see lots of objects are present, but we want to select the lead object, so that's why we enter the lead in the search box, and our lead object comes at the top, and so click on this lead object. Our lead page is open, and under this page we can see there is a fields and relationship present under the details section, so click on this fields and relationship. Our fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see lots of fields are already created, but we want to create a new field, so that's why we click on the new button. Our field type page is open, and here we can see lots of field types are present, but we want to select the email checkbox that allow the user to enter an email address which is valid to ensure proper format, and then click on the next button. Our lead new custom field page is open. Now enter the detail related to the lead custom field. So first fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as an email, and then enter the field name which is automatically filled by simply clicking on this field, and then scroll to the bottom, and here we can see that there is a default value field present, and under this default value field we enter the email that is set as a default. Here we enter the email as a text solution @ gmail.com, and then hit the next button. Now establish the field level security. First select the profiles to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. So we add all the fields to the field level security. That's why we check the visible checkbox and hit the next button. Now add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field and hit the save button. We come back to our fields and relationship page, and here we can see our email, and here we can see our email custom field is created successfully. Now click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box. Select the sales option. Our sales page is open. Now select the leads object. Here we can see Our leads record page is open, and under this record page, we can see already created records are present, but we want to create the new record. So we click on the new button and our new lead dialog box is open. Now select the salutation, then enter the first name and then scroll to the bottom, enter the last name and then scroll to the bottom, and here we can see our email field is already created successfully and the default email is already set. So this show we can easily set the default value for the email field. So let's move ahead and discuss about how to set default value for email field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly click on the profile picture and then select the switch to Salesforce Classic option. Our classic version is open. Now select the setup option and then enter the object in the quick find box. Then click on the drop down arrow and select the objects option, and our custom object page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and select the event object. Our custom object event page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and here we can see the custom fields and relationship section is present, and under this section loads of fields are already created, but we want to create the new one, so click on the new button. Our field type page is open. Now here select the email checkbox. Select the email checkbox and then hit the next button. Our new custom field event page is open. Now enter the field label and here we are entering the field label as event email, and then enter the field name which is automatically filled, and then scroll to the bottom and here we can see there is a default value field present, and here we are entering the default value, and here we are entering the default value as event attendees @gmail.com and then hit the next button. Now establish the field level security, and here we are setting all the profiles to the field level security. That's why we click on the visible checkbox and hit the next button. Now add to this the page layout and then hit the save button. Now we come back to our event object page and scroll to the bottom, and here we can see our event email field is created successfully, and then scroll up, click on the drop down arrow and search the event object. So click on this event object. Our event record page is open, and here we can see lots of records are already created, but we want to create the new one, so that's why we click on the new button. And here we can see our event email field is created, and our event attendee Gmail is already set as a default email. So we can see we can easily set the default value for the email field. So with this, we have learned how to set the default value for the email field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.